Okay, so this is type 6 questions, and these involve the concepts of population. A village lost 12% of its goat in a flood and 5% of remaining died from diseases. If the number left now is 8360, what was the original number before the flood? Since there is an absolute term over here, we'll be using a variable, that is x. So if x was the initial population of the goats before flood, 12% of the goats were lost in the flood. So 12% lost, that is remaining is 100 minus 12, that is 88%. So we'll write 88% over here. And then on top of that, these would be the remaining goats, right? And it says that 5% of the remaining died from diseases. So 5% also there's a subtraction. So you'll subtract it from 100. So that is 95. So remaining 95% of goats is what you have, and this value is coming out to be 8360, right? So let's try to solve these numbers. 5 times 19, 5 times 20. If you look closely, this 19 is going to divide this. 19 times 4 is 76, remainder is 7, you carry the 6 forward. 19 times 4 is 76 again, and then there is a 0, right? And if you look at this one, 2 times 44, 2 times 50. 44 would be cancelling this 440 as 10, right? So now all you have left for x is 50 into 20 into this remaining 10. So this would give you 10,000, right? Because 50 into 20 you will get 1000 over here, and then there's a 10 over there, right? So this is how you calculate these type of questions.
If you like my lecture, please subscribe to my channel. You can also provide me feedback in the comment section so that I can make the required changes and improve the quality of videos as well as the content. You can also join my Facebook group as well as my Facebook page, where I provide regular updates as well as regular PDFs and test on a daily basis. I have Telegram channel as well as Telegram group also. You can join those also. There I provide regular PDFs as well as regular tests. The name of Facebook and Telegram groups and channels is Success RBI or Success SBI. There's a mobile app also. The name of the app is Infinity. You can join that app, you can download that app, and that will allow you to take quizzes just like you take a quiz in the real scenario when you go and take the examination, the government examinations. So that will help you get a better idea and take regular quizzes of phase 1 for RBI as well as SBI.